Have you ever stood before a class, perceiving the diversity of thought and anticipation in each learner's eyes, and pondered, how do I captivate each one? Join us on a journey to not only understand student engagement, but also to realize its transformative effect on education. Engagement, the heartbeat of teaching, signifies the mutual endeavor of educators and students. It's the transformation of the classroom into a hive of inquiry where learning resonates with joy and is perceived as a quest, not a chore. As we consider the essential tenets of engagement, see it as our mission to invigorate our classrooms with energy and purpose. Stay with us as we unravel the essence of true engagement and shape the innovators of tomorrow. Picture a classroom vibrant with curiosity, where the spark of engagement flourishes. Yet barriers can arise, dulling this vibrancy. As educators, discerning and surmounting these challenges is our duty. We'll examine common obstacles to engagement, such as disinterest or ineffective teaching methods. Recognizing and addressing the signs of disengagement is crucial. By revising our approach or enhancing classroom dynamics, we illuminate the path to discovery. A space welcoming collaboration and critical thought awaits us beyond these impediments. Join us as we pursue this educational quest, armed with strategies to enliven every learner's experience. Much like nurturing a garden for diverse flora to flourish, an engaging classroom environment must provide a balance of care and structure. Let's design this setting for engagement. A warm, accepting classroom invites learners to journey through education with confidence and curiosity. Upon this groundwork, we define clear boundaries, offering students a structure that fosters innovation within limits. Ground rules, when well established, catalyze a productive discourse and exploration. Keep these pillars in mind as we progress into the sphere of interactive teaching, where engagement manifests as the lifeblood of education. Navigating the vibrant terrain of education, we find engaging teaching strategies act as conduits for awakening minds. Employing these techniques breathes life into lessons, sparking a transformation from passive absorption to active engagement. Envisage a classroom humming with cooperative energy. From targeted inquiry to group activities, these methods immerse students in critical thinking and collaboration. This journey transcends information transmission to craft memorable experiences, kindling a robust understanding that permeates learning. As we venture forth, witness how digital tools empower this framework, crafting a contemporary, connected classroom. In our evolving educational landscape, technology stands as a pillar, opening gateways of interactive opportunity. Weaving these digital threads into our curricula, they become more than tools. They're catalysts for collaboration and individual inquiry. Visualize a classroom engaged in collective discovery, where each click heralds new experiences. The integration of multimedia and interactive platforms extends learning beyond traditional methods. Virtual reality, gamification, and adaptive software craft a symphony of engagement, heralding an era where learning is intuitive and enthralling. Let's now shift our focus to the cornerstone of personalization, feedback and assessment, as they steer the educational journey toward meaningful progress and engagement. In the orchestrated world of the classroom, feedback and assessment set the rhythm of engagement. Effective feedback, with specific, timely insights, fosters a culture of growth, nurturing student motivation. Interactive assessments transition the traditional experience into one of participation and real-world application. Through this synergy, learners transform into collaborators in their educational journey. As we hone these practices, we equip students with self-assessment tools crucial for lifelong learning. The next stage of our exploration will focus on consolidating these tactics within collaborative learning strategies, culminating in a harmonized learning chorus. Collaborative learning acts as a touchstone for engagement. This approach weaves together various perspectives into a rich tapestry of group dynamics. A well-structured, peer-oriented environment magnifies the educational experience and hones vital social skills. The key lies in the considered formation of groups and clearly defined objectives. Let's continue to navigate these strategic waters, stoking the fires of curiosity. Looking ahead, we see the personal touch as vital, shaping education to the individual learner and fostering a deep personal engagement. Focusing now on the individual, we look to personalize learning. Differentiated instruction acknowledges unique learning styles and adapts to each student's need, fueling both performance and confidence. By embracing student centered techniques, educators craft paths that resonate personally with learners, leading to profound levels of engagement. This segment will outline strategies to achieve this customization in learning plans. We're committed to a teaching ethos that sees every learner as unique, aiming to inspire autonomy and genuine curiosity in their educational journeys. Motivation lies at the core of engagement, the pulse driving students towards self directed learning. Whether powered by an intrinsic love for knowledge or influenced by external rewards, motivation is essential in igniting a learner's journey. Facilitating an environment conducive to self-directed learning requires us to champion student autonomy. Providing choices and fostering goal setting lays the groundwork for lasting engagement. As we endeavor to keep motivation vibrant and focused, let's explore methods to maintain this vital energy throughout the learning process. Assessing engagement is integral, offering insights that help us fine-tune our educational approach. Monitoring engagement through both data and reflective dialogue informs our strategies to invigorate the classroom continuously. But engaging students doesn't end with assessment. It grows through routines and celebrations of inquiry. As we conclude, reflect on the journey taken and the multitude of approaches shared. Commit to nurturing engagement, for it's within such classrooms that every student's potential is fully realized and their educational odyssey truly begins.